Seed stitches are tiny stitches placed singly or in pairs. They can be used as filler stitches or scattered like confetti. I'm using them to add a little extra density to my grass sketch. You can see how spacing the stitches can change the effect they have. Even the simplest of embroidery stitches can be used in a variety of ways. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with another stitch tutorial soon, possibly for something a bit more intricate. If you'd like to see more tutorials, I have a Stitch Library playlist here. Bye for now.